Welcome to this short training video based on the HEE assessment strategy, which is available on the website. This video is about how to use the Meeting with Designated Supervisor form to record meetings between the trainee and designated supervisor. The Designated Supervisor, or DS, is responsible for having oversight of the trainee's training and for signing off the trainees against the learning outcomes at the end of the foundation training year. They should be a source of advice and guidance and will work with practice partners to support the trainee in meeting the learning outcomes. During the first week of training, the designated supervisor should meet with the trainee to support the completion of the learning needs analysis, personal development plan, and learning agreement. The designated supervisor or their delegates must have regular developmental and documented meetings with a trainee pharmacist during the foundation training year. We recommend a weekly or fortnightly meeting to reflect on progress and review objectives. These meetings can be documented with key actions recorded within the e-portfolio. We have generated a generic meeting form which can be used to record meetings with the designated supervisor. This form will be embedded into the e-portfolio and may differ slightly within the system. We will now go through each of the sections in turn and provide you with examples on how to successfully complete the form. The first section provides space to complete the placement/rotation, the name of the supervisor overseeing the training, the type of supervisor, and the date of the meeting. The section provides space to outline discussions that took place, what the trainee has been doing within their current placement, what has gone well, and what has not gone well since the last meeting. It provides an opportunity to provide honest and constructive feedback and can be used as a way for the trainee to reflect on as they progress throughout their training year. The next section is where an update on the trainee's progress with the learning outcomes and assessment activities should be documented. Remember, it's not about the trainee demonstrating a learning outcome X amount of times, but more that they have demonstrated the learning outcome repeatedly and reliably. The DS form provides space to review the personal development plan and agree on next steps. Refer to the Learning Needs Analysis and Personal Development Plan video for further guidance on completing PDPs. It's important to agree on action points within the trainee using SMART objectives. Ensure the objectives are specific, what needs to be done, measurable, provides a way to evaluate, achievable, it needs to be attainable and within the trainee's scope to achieve it, relevant, it needs to make sense to the trainee's role and not be outside their remit, and time-bound, the more specific a date and time can be given, the better. The last sections provide space for any reminders to be placed. This could, for example, include upcoming training days or annual leave. And it's important to set a date for the next meeting so that progress and objectives can be reviewed. The meeting will be recorded within the e-portfolio and the trainee and DS can visit its contents when needed. For further information on the learning outcomes, please visit the HEE Trainee Pharmacist Foundation Year Assessment Guide and Strategy on the HEE website. This describes the assessment activities, which as a whole are designed to provide a range of evidence against each of the learning outcomes. There are also many other additional resources on the HEE website. For more information, particularly on the learning outcomes, please do look at the GPHC Foundation Training Manual on the GPHC website.